What is something you are proud you have never done? I have never cheated on my wife. I know that sounds like a given, but I was once put in a situation where I almost did. I was on a business trip with my boss and a few co-workers. After a long day of meetings, we all went out for drinks. I had a few too many, and my boss, who was a very attractive woman, started flirting with me. At first I didn't think much of it, but then she started getting more and more touchy. I was drunk and didn't want to be rude, so I didn't stop her. Eventually, everyone else left, and it was just me and her. She asked me to come back to her hotel room with her. I knew what was going to happen if I went with her, but I was drunk and I wasn't thinking straight. I was about to say yes when I got a call from my wife. I stepped outside to answer it, and she told me that our daughter had just taken her first steps. I could hear my daughter laughing in the background, and it snapped me out of it. I realized what I was about to do and felt sick to my stomach. I told my wife I loved her and went back to my hotel room alone. The next day, my boss acted like nothing happened. I haven't told anyone about this, but I am so proud of myself for not going